So the first one of Value Glide workshop is going to be our strategic prioritization workshop. In this workshop, we tackle the challenges that organizations have and we can see in our clients, where we have a number of stakeholders, all with legitimate needs, all coming at the portfolio from different perspectives and different directions about, well, we should grow our existing product set, or we should grow in a new market, or we have a functional need. And what about what's going on already? How do we keep the lights on? As well as legal and regulatory needs. Now, all these challenges mean that it becomes difficult to have a single prioritized list of portfolio initiatives. And that's why we created this workshop. This workshop is exactly what is needed to address this challenge. We get the stakeholders together in a collaborative environment where we can see the problem from different angles and different perspectives, and then we create both alignment and balance. The alignment is between what the strategic goals of the organization is, and the stakeholders are aligned on a single set of priority initiatives for the portfolio, and balance to say we're going to balance our current, or if you like, near-term needs and future-term needs. So we have a balance of investment. It's not just for what's bringing money right now and we'll be out of business in 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So we get that balance right. So if this is of interest to you, my recommendation is to book your seat at our workshop. We will come to you, or we'll do it remotely, and we create the environment where you can get that balanced set of initiatives. Now, if you want, we can also do it on a simulation. So you don't have to use your initiatives if you don't wish. If you just wish to find out how this environment is set up, how will this workshop work? So what you need to do is to reach us at hello@valueglide.com, and we will be more than happy to speak with you.